দেখিবলে খাদ্য আসলতে শব্দ শব্দ কথা বেশি কয় যে আটাকে শুনি শুনি আমি আমাক মানে গৰু বনাই দিছে কথা কৈ কৈ যেন আমাৰ ব্ৰেইন নাই আমাৰ আসলে বেছি ব্ৰেইন আছে পলিটিক্স নকৰিবা বন্ধু পলিটিক্স নকৰিবা বন্ধু পলিটিক্স নকৰিবা আমাৰ লগত এটা কথা
ইয়াৰ পৰা ফকিয়াই দিয়া হ'ল আৰু আমি যদিও আইনৰ ছাত্ৰ মই আইনক আমি সন্মান কৰোঁ কিন্তু আইন অকল সমাজৰ উশৃংখলতা নিয়ন্ত্ৰণৰ কাৰণেহে যেতিয়া জাতি মাটি প্ৰশ্ন আহি
I'm with the people always, and this is actually this is a conspiracy happening to Assam. So we are revolting, and our fight will be on always. And CAP should never come to Assam.
Nagaland, Mizoram, and Maghera Minister has strongly condemned the move of the government, but yet
they won't be affected. Nagaland won't be affected.
Our Chief Minister is silent.
Only our people, Assam will be affected.
Our Chief Minister is still silent on the issues. What do you take on that?
I don't know about him. Why he is silent? He should revolt actually. He should be with the people always.
Ranahunkar basically signifies a war, a declaration of a war against a BJP government because they are adamant to bring CAP 2016 as well as 2019. We have organized this program with the help of the entire student fraternity of Assam, especially the students fraternity of Guwahati. It is clear and certain that we don't want CAP Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 as well as 2019. And nothing has been changed there. Our word is clear that we will not accept any foreigners. Let it be from any religion, any caste, any creed. We will not accept them. If the time will demand, we will go to Delhi. We will get the support of JNU, DU, WHO, each and every institution up there, because this is not only the concern of Northeast region. No doubt, it is basically hampering our identity, our culture. But the main thing is that it is unconstitutional. It will create a communal riots in the future. So no one in the entire country will support the bill.
This bill is fundamentally unconstitutional. It kills the spirit of secularism. It destroys the Assam Accord. It denies the Assam Accord. And it disrespects the contribution of 860 martyrs of the Assam movement. So the entire student community of Assam, we are in corporation, and the only word which we all are echoing together is no. Since the beginning of this Mr. Modi's tenure, we have seen a different kind of attitude towards mass protests. They do not care at all nowadays, and they are thinking that voting for them, because there is no other alternative, gives them the right to do anything and everything.